Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're gonna be doing Real Madrid versus Man City in the stadium of Etihad. Everyone is ready to play football. Let's see who will win, guys. I'm from Madrid. I love Madrid, guys, and fans are going crazy, guys, and everyone is ready to play football in the big stadium of Etihad. Let's play football. Premier League, Real Madrid versus Man City. Referees are here, all the players are here. Mbappe, my guy. This guy is gonna score a lot of goals today. Mbappe. Valverde is ready. Vini, player to watch. Of course, Vini. Vini's dribbles, man, so good. Pep Guardiola, one of the best managers. Everyone is handshaking, and let's play football now. Madrid. This is the lineup of Real Madrid. Also, we have Bellingham, guys, one of the youngsters. Bro will play in the midfield, and we have a lot of good players. So let's play football now. And this is the lineup of Manchester. City players are also looking good. Haaland might take over. Erling Haaland. Rodrigo is ready. Mbappe. We have the center, and let's start it. Fast. Let's go. Let me lock in. I have to win this match, guys. No matter what, at any cost, I have to win this match. Let's go. At the round of 16. Oh, our tiki-taka is very good, guys. It's a chance. I'm not doing any mercy on this time. This time I'm fully locking in. It's my favorite team. We have good players. Everyone is ready. Let's bang it, guys. Get the ball, man. Bellingham. Vini. Cherki. They also have Cherki in the team. Okay, Bellingham have the ball. Pass it to Valverde. Valverde passes to Arda Güler. Arda Güler loses the ball. Come on, man. We got this. Take the ball from him. Bellingham. Slide him, man. Okay, anyways, come on. Arda Güler. Bellingham passes to Vini. Vini dribbles. Vini passes to Mbappe. Oh, Mbappe loses the ball. No problem. I'm banging it this time, guys. We have to win this time. Last time it was 3-0. This time it will be 4-0. I hope so. Bang it! Oh, I should have passed. I missed it. So as I was saying, on the last match, it was of Real Madrid versus Man City. It was 3-0 and we won. But this time, I think I can do 4-0. Let's do it. Okay, we got the corner. Valverde taking it, of course. And let's curl it. Goalkeeper, don't take it, okay? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yes, perfect. Header. I swear this goalkeeper, I hate this goalkeeper. It's always on the corner. Next time I'm not curling it in. I'm just normally passing it in. Anyways, Güler, take the ball. Arda Güler, run, bro. Come on, guys, run there. Oh my God, take the ball. No. Okay, Courtois. Let's go. Rudiger. Okay. Vini passes to Vini. Vini got the ball. Vini dribbles as usual with speed. We're so close. Pass. I'm not gonna. The goalkeeper. No. I passed it, but the goalkeeper, he saved it. Anyways, we got this, man. We have to win this match. Bellingham. Come on, Bellingham. Take the ball, man. Erling Haaland. Okay, we got the ball, Bellingham. Bellingham passes it to Arda Güler. Arda Güler passes it to Valverde. Valverde passes it to Alexander Arnold. And Alexander Arnold. Wait. Okay, we got this. Okay, slowly. Slow and steady. That's a foul! That's a foul, man. That's a clear foul. I almost scored. I was gonna do a finesse by Valverde. Not gonna lie. I was gonna bang it. It's a foul, man. Come on, you guys have to agree. That's a foul. Please be penalty. Yes, guys, we got the penalty. First penalty. Mbappe, I need you to score. Don't miss it. No mercy this time. Come on. Please score it. Yes, that's a goal. Beautiful goal by Kylian Mbappe. Do some celebration, man. Yes, with Valverde, man. Bellingham, let's go Mbappe, Bellingham, Arda Güler, everyone is so happy now. Amazing goal, man. Mbappe never misses the penalty. Yes, you're right. Oh, what a goal, what a beautiful goal. Yes, Mbappe is happy now. Already 1-0 and I'm not going to lose this match. I'm going to win, no matter what. Mbappe on the 40th minute. They also have Rodrigo, who could change the game, but no, I will not let that happen. They also have Foden. Okay, get the ball now, come on. No, okay, Courtois is there, Courtois. Yeah, it's okay. It's half time, guys, and yes. Fans are going crazy. Etihad Stadium, Mbappe. First shot, one goal, Mbappe. First half was beautiful, 1-0, good start for us. Second half, Man City could change the game, but I will not let that happen. Remember, guys, I will win. Yes, and I will resume the match now. Let's see the second half. Come on. I'm not doing any mercy on this time. No mercy this time. No matter what, get the ball, man. Get the ball. The dribbling is kind of good, not gonna lie. I can't get the ball from Erling Haaland. Shit, I'm cooked. Slide him, man. Just last option, slide him. Okay, Courtois there. Okay, we got it. Courtois always saved me. Always saves me. I mean, Valverde. Federico Valverde passes to Bellingham. Okay, it's okay. Get the ball. Again, get the ball. Pass it to Vini. Vini is ready to pass to Valverde. Oh, Valverde passes to Alexander Arnold. Alexander dribbles a bit, but that's a foul. Clear foul, man. Clear foul. Referee, man. Tell him, man. Tell him. What's your problem, bro? I have to win this. Pass it. Okay. Valverde. To Chamaini. Maini. Bellingham. Easy. Okay. No. Come on. No, that's not a goal. No. Courtois is also there. Arda Güler, take the ball. Valverde. No. Get it. Yeah, Valverde got it. He passes to Mbappe. Mbappe passes it. No, come on. Get the ball, man. I ain't letting them score. Valverde passes to Mbappe. What will Mbappe do? No. Yes. No. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Rudiger passes it to Federico Valverde. Valverde passes it to Alexander Arnold and Arda Güler. It's Güler. It was a beautiful finesse, but missed the post. Man City is doing some substitutes and then bringing some new players. It's the 71st minute and it's a good start for us. 1-0 is beautiful, but the penalty is beautiful. Vini Jr. Man, we got this, man. I ain't letting you score, guys, man. No. Yes. Okay. Bellingham. No. Slide him, man. Oh shit. Oh shit. Rudiger. No. Rudiger. No. No. Yeah. Oh, okay. It was so close. I got it. Valverde passed it to Mbappe. Mbappe kind of dribbles. No, he didn't dribble. I'm sorry. I need to learn to dribble. Come on, Erling Haaland. This guy. Oh shit. No. No. 83rd minute, guys. I was playing so good, but suddenly Man City. Yes. Can't say anything, guys. Man City just scored. Basically, yes, it happened. And they're doing substitute. It's 84th minute. Counter attack, man. Everyone go front. No, I don't need this. I don't need this. Come on, please, my guy. Please, my guy. My boys. Come on, my boys. Alexander Arnold, do something, man. There is no one. There is no one. Come on, that's a header. Please win it. No. It was so close, guys. And the match ended 1-1. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, guys. Wait a minute. The match didn't end. It almost came to an end. 1-1. Can we do penalties? Golden goal, penalties, and match draw. What should we do, guys? Penalties, guys. Should we do penalties or golden goal? Let's do penalties, guys. Not gonna lie, penalties is so. Okay, the match has started, guys. I mean the penalties. Mbappe taking the first penalty. We got this. Ederson, don't save it. Ederson, I clearly see you don't save it. No. What did I do? What did I do? Haaland, I'm so cooked. And they scored. No. Bellingham, save us, Bellingham. No, it's again saved. What? I need to save this. Courtois, please save me, Courtois. Please. Yes, okay. Come on, Vinny. Please save us, Vinny. Please, we are in trouble. Vinny taking it. Please, Vinny, save it. Please. Yes! Vinny scores. Ederson taking the last penalty to Courtois. Goalkeeper versus goalkeeper, guys. Let me concentrate. No. Okay. Ederson, okay. Okay, we got this. Arda Güler, save us. Arda Güler, please score it, Arda Güler. Yes, top bench. We got this. I have to win this at all cost, guys. How did Mbappe miss? I don't know why. Courtois. Yes! Milato, please do it. Top bench, I think. Please. Yes, again top bench and Milato saves us. Please save it. If the goalkeeper saves it, I won the match. But if Man City scored, they have another chance. Let's see. Please. Yes! We won, Courtois! Let's go. We won. Courtois saved us. I don't know why, guys. Bellingham missed. Everyone is celebrating. We won the match. It was 1-1. And at the 83rd minute, Man City scored. And it was a very big trouble. At the end, it got penalties. And in penalties, Mbappe missed. And at last, Courtois saved us. Let's go, guys. We won the match. Penalties. These are the match results, guys. So that's it, guys. That's it for this video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe. If you want more video like this, please share me your thoughts. Please, guys, share me your thoughts. And we're so close to 30,000. At the end of this month, I need 30,000, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.